Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off allowing reminders from sending notifications our way when the Do Not Disturb mode is on in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to turn off reminders in D&D? We need to access settings. Then in sounds and vibration at the top we have Do Not Disturb. Here alarms and other interruptions. And as you can see, reminders are excluded from being muted in D&D. So we need to turn this option off. It's a simple on or off switch. And now we can close our menus. Reminders are now under Do Not Disturb. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.